How to block USB connection on lock screen in Samsung Galaxy phone. So if your Samsung phone screen is locked like this and someone tried to rip off your data by connecting a USB to it, then you can stop this person from accessing your device by turning on block USB connection on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do to block USB connections while locked on Samsung is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Then scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Scroll down the page as well. Locate more security settings and click on it. Then on the more security settings page, you want to scroll down. Locate block USB connections while locked. Only allow other devices to connect to your phone using the USB cable if your phone was unlocked within the past hours. This prevents others from accessing your data if they have physically access to your phone but don't know your PIN or password. So if this is disabled, this won't be able to block USB connection on your Samsung while your Samsung phone is locked. Then turn this on, and this is going to block USB connection while locked on Samsung Galaxy phone. So here, you can be rest assured that if your phone is stolen or taken at gunpoint and they try to connect a USB to rip off your data, your Samsung phone will block the connection and they will have to unlock the phone before they can use it. So that is basically how to enable block USB connections while locked on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.